Hello, this is a quick Blender 2.6 tutorial on how to pack .blend files, and also I'm going to do some transparency thing as well, just because I can. So here you have a default cube. I'll just put a texture onto it. Just random texture. I'll just make it so you can see it. Okay, so there's my texture on a cube. And the Z transparency thing is, just turn transparency on, turn alpha off. Oops, computer's going really slow and laggy at the moment. Turn that off. As you see, the cube disappears. Now, if I go back to the texture, this texture has alpha, but you can also use RVG to intensity. Oh, it's going really slow. RVG to intensity here, just tick that box. But I don't really have to because it's got alpha. So if I click alpha here, bam, there it is. Now you can see the texture on the box, even though the box is invisible. So you can see through it. Looks really cool. This texture is just for a game I'm making. Okay, so now to pack into .blend files. Let's go File, External Data, pack into .blend file. And it's as easy as that. I've just got to save after that. And then it's as easy as that. Let's go here, A, saves, random name, whatever. And there you go. So now I have a packed blend file with the texture. And I'll tell you what that means in a second. But wait. Something else I was going to say. Oh well, whatever that was, I've forgotten it. That. So here is your... Oh, that's what I was going to say. You may have some errors and stuff with textures that aren't there anymore. So say you had a texture on an object which you created, but then decided you didn't like it, so you deleted the texture. And it still has the texture there, but you don't have it attached to anything. You've got to clear all those away before you can pack it into a .blend file. This is just like material colors. It doesn't even have to be a texture. The way you do that is just save the blend file, quit it, and then open it back up again. And then it'll let you pack it. So quitting it and opening it just clears all of the stuff that wasn't in use. So here is whatever the folder might be with your game or level or whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to have it. So that would be this. I've just got it as A. So that's like your base folder thing. So okay, so here I've got my texture and the save. So what that did is, can't be bothered explaining it. I've tried to, but it confuses me. Well, anyway, so this means you can now move this file anywhere around and it will keep the texture. So I can put it down here. And now if I open it back up, saves, open that save. As you can see, it still has the texture. So what that means is you can move this A file, A folder, to anywhere you want, any computer or anything, and it will keep the textures on the .blend file. You can also do the same thing with sounds and everything else. So you could send that to someone if you wanted to, and they won't have to reattach all the textures and stuff like that. Ugh. Sort of half asleep, and I've just done this tutorial like 17 times, so I'll just leave it here before I start confusing myself.